Welcome to the new video of Photoshop scripting. Let us take a look at the script which we will create. Give the images folder to it and then image dimensions to be resized. Now the script is processing the images in the folder. And boom, it's done. These are the images which were processed. It is the original image and it is the resized one. Okay, in no time, let's dive into the coding right now. I have divided the script into the steps. Step 1 is to get the images folder from the user. Step 2 is get the images dimensions from the user for resize. Step 3 is process each file in the folder and resize the image according to the user dimensions. And step 4 is save the file as JPEG. And step 5 is close the file but saving no changes. First, target this script to the Photoshop, and then we have to go to the step 1, get the images folder, in the select dialog, this sentence is shown to the user: select the folder having the image files. Now step 1 is completed. Now we have to do the step 2. We have to get the image dimensions from the user. We have prompted the user to get the image dimensions. First argument is the text to be shown to the user. As an example, I have written 300 by 400. In the second argument, this is the default value in the user input, and the third one is the title, new image size. Now we have to do the step 3. Process each file in the folder and resize images according to the user dimensions. I have created the global variables for width and height. Now we have to split this image size given by the user with the delimiter X. Now splitting the image size with the delimiter X. If for some reason image size is null, then we have to give the default width and height. Now we have to process each file in the folder. Create a process function with the image folder as an argument. Now we have to create a process image folder and giving the images folder as an argument. Create definition for the process images folder. Now first of all, gets the files list from the images folder with the mask, JPEG or PNG. Now we have to iterate this files list get each file from the list and then open it in the document. We are assigning this document as an active document in the Photoshop application. Now we have to resize this document with the images dimensions given by the user. We have to pass the width and height as a pixel unit. We have executed the step 3. Now it's time for the step 4. We have to save as the JPEG I have already created this function in the previous video, so I am reusing that function from the previous script. This function takes document and a save folder. We are setting the quality to 12 and format options to progressive and mat type none. And then we are saving this document save as. Add a suffix for the resize as 300 by 400 to indicate that it's a resized image. Step 4 is done. Now we have to close the file. We don't want to save this file changes, so we are discarding the changes as save options do not save changes. Let's test the script by executing it. Play, start, give the images folder, pass the image dimensions. Wow, our images are being processed. Our script is executed successfully. Let's see the resized images. Opening the original image. As you can see, this is the original image and this is the resized image. And we have added the suffix for it, 300 by 400. As you can see, the suffix is there. Our script was completed. But did you notice something? There was no feedback from the script that it is completed successfully. So we have to alert the user that script is completed successfully. After adding the alert, let's run the script again. Pass the images, give the image dimensions. Great. The script is now giving the alert that images are resized successfully. That's for it now. If you like this video, a thumbs up would be great. Please subscribe to the channel. If you didn't do so, don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will get notified of the new updates from the Coding Reel channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.